Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply the same video transition to all of your videos on CapCut PC. I'll be just adding some videos here and there, and I'm just going to show you how to do that. Simply go to video transitions and select the one that you want. For instance, this one. So we're just going to select that and we're going to apply it to the video like so. Select OK. I'm just going to extend it maybe a little bit. So this is what the video transition will look like. Select the video transition again and select apply to all, and it's going to be applied to all of your clips like so. Ta-da! Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.